Guess the Clash Royale card by its sounds. Only a Clash Royale expert will recognize all these cards, but I bet you won't guess the last one. That's easy. The Witch. The Prince. At the end, you will also find the solution to the last expert level. The Bomber. Don't forget to comment your points at the end. That is probably the Graveyard. Now we've reached the hard level. I don't think you have anything right from now on. The Tesla. You were right. In the last video, it were the Wall Breakers. If you have an idea which card this could be, write it in the comments and share the video with your friends to see how well they do.